what I told that woman. She said, you love your mom, right? And I said, so much. And then she was like, I would love to talk to her, but she's no longer here with us. I remember my brother looked at me. You know, he's short, so he looked at me with his eyes. And then he was like making sure that he had the same thing that I had. And I'm like, oh Jesus, why are you looking at me like that? He's like looking at me like, Sky, his mom. I look at him back, I'm like, it's okay, they are pranking us, you know. As we are social media people, so I thought this would be an awesome prank. My mom is pranking me, but that wasn't a good prank. I wish it was a prank. I wish it was a prank because I wish it was a prank. I don't wanna cry because I've done this video so many times and I don't want to mess this one up because I don't want to show any emotions here, because I don't want anyone to watch it and feel bad of what is happening, because people already feel sad. So I'm trying to stay strong for these people. And then Danny started crying immediately, and then I was like, you're pranking me. What is me? I didn't even cry. Me, I was like, you're pranking. Where is my mom? She's like, oh, I'm pranking you. Come, let's see her. I walk out. I'm seeing everyone looking at me pitifully. I was walking, I was feeling okay. People wondering, Sky, why you're not crying? What's up with you? Because it's not like it didn't hit me yet. As it came, it didn't hit me at all. It hit me like a banger. The knees went so down so fast, like I measured it like a pill. I fell down while we were walking to her room. Like, geez, it's like something caught me. I fell down. It's like like something. I fell down and I started crying. And I was like, oh, my mom is not dead. 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 I fell down. I remember. And then I went to this big room.